Hi guys, this is Arnie from Surrey again, and in this video I wanted to show you what's inside your precious Volkswagen Transporter or Caravan or Multivan's fuel filter. Our fuel filter has been already removed. It's this type WK875/1. We've got, this is a 4-port fuel filter, so we've got the feed fuel filtered and the return fuel cooled as well, or whatever it does, I don't know. So obviously I've sewed off the top and that can be just removed, and interestingly enough, from the top all the connections are only sealed off by this pre-made gasket, so that's one. And then here's what's inside your actual filter. I pull it apart and there you go, your traditional fuel filter, completely black, and it's housed in this aluminium capsule. That's it, this is nothing special. On the top it's just welded, and then contains this completely ordinary paper filter with some valves, you can see there. So that's it. As you can see, this is completely black. Yeah, this is absolutely black, from a completely different issue really. So your fuel filter should not be like this, and I think this is the valve.